Hi guys, welcome back to my videos, and today I'm gonna make like a new series where I have a bunch of slimes. I don't think a lot of you know this, but I'm obsessed with a lot of things, and one of them is slimes. So I'm gonna pick randomly, like I'm gonna put my hand in there, and I'm gonna like describe it, play with it a little bit, and I have a lot of slimes, so this is gonna be a long series, but let's get into it. So, this is my slime bin. Don't mind that. I have some empty slime containers, which I just use for the hand slime making or buy. So let's pick out. And okay. Wait, should I show you guys? This one. This big one. Okay. Okay, so I'm here on my computer. It's gonna be my play. It's my Aerithal. Okay, so let's see what's up. Oh. So this came in like a bunch of different slimes. Do you see? But I just I couldn't keep them all in one container because then they wouldn't mix them. I don't really want that because they were all sort of bad textures and rippy, but one of them I made it really stiff and I added too much shaving cream, and it was the best one. And it's like, I'm not gonna say what color it is because yeah, let's open this. See how it feels, because this is like old, so I don't really remember how it feels. Well, it's not that old, but sorry I haven't posted in a long time. I was on vacation for like 7 weeks. Hey guys, ASMR. Oh, and I forgot to show you this. I got a permanent bracelet. I don't know if you guys saw them on TikTok, but they don't come off. You know how bracelets have clasps? This one doesn't have it, and they like do something to make it permanent. See, I can't take it off, and I'm a little worried, and because I'm really claustrophobic. I'm a little worried. Who knows why I'm worried? Probably because I do jujitsu, it's like a martial arts, and we're not allowed to wear bracelets. My friend, she goes to church, she's very Christian. She's also Greek. So she like has to keep certain bracelets on. I don't do that because I'm Jewish, but I do go to Hebrew school. I learned Hebrew. Okay. So this is it. As you can tell, it's very rippy. But I'm gonna name this. And this slime, I'm gonna do 2 in each episode, so this is just the first one. I'm gonna name this slime. I'm also naming them. Hairy. Because if you don't tell, there's a big hair. I'm gonna name this, for the texture, it's like icy. It's not an icy slime. I would say a rippy slime. But like besides that, if it had a name besides rippy, that's actually good. For the texture, I would probably think non-sticky. I'm not really good with slime textures, even though I'm a slime professional. I would say this is like I forgot the name. It's like not a butter slime, and it's not an icy slime because icy slimes are like cobwebs. Have you ever like felt like Halloween like fake cobwebs? Feels like that. But this one is like a cold because it's like every time I play with this, it's freezing cold. I would say this is a rippy, cold, rippy. I'm just gonna describe the texture. Rippy, not butter slime, not icy slime. What is this? It's like not a stretchy slime. I already said a rippy slime. I'm having a hard run with this. How does it show that it stretches like that? Seriously don't know how. But like I think I'm just gonna call this one rippy, cold. It has really good pops though. Like I had a lot of good bubbly slime. And I'm gonna name it Ice Blue because it's really cold. Okay, so like I'm also gonna be saying things about me. Like I did make a video. If you haven't saw that yet, I don't think I posted this on my TikTok account. My TikTok account is private. That's all. Can't really accept random strangers. I only accept my friends, or like my friends' friends, cause like, yeah. But anyways, I'm using a scissor because like, yeah. Okay, facts about me are I'm obsessed with slime. So the things I'm obsessed with are stuffed animals. You should see my bed. And red Valentine's Day stuff. And frogs. I'm obsessed with frogs. So that's my froggy, that's Kermie. And this is like the hairband. Wear every day. Hi girl. So like I'm gonna show you a tour of them. This is like my Valentine's Day poem that I always wear. Hot dog, heart, Doge, Teddy, Kermie / Kermit, Ellie. And you must be wondering, Liv, those are obvious names. Well, they actually are. I named my name really weird. So the big teddy bear Heart, she, I guess it is a girl, she was a Valentine's Day present. And she's pink, so I named her Heart. Hot dog, like skinny dogs, they're like, I don't know what they're called, but those I'm pretty sure they're called hot dogs. Hard to say, but so I named him Hot Dog because he is one of those. Then I have Ellie, my elephant. You all know that, like it's a classic. And Teddy, the teddy bear, and Doge, he's a Doge dog. And Kermie, this one's like the hardest one to get, but his full name is Kermit the Frog, but I call him Kermie for short, and Kerm for short. And P and K for short. Yeah, he has so many names. But okay, next slime. Okay, I'm just gonna do randomly from this one. I love this one. I think. Okay, the other things I'm obsessed with are embarrassing. It's really embarrassing, but I'm obsessed with cucumbers. Like, obsessed. And watermelon. Like, that's the only thing I will eat. Okay, and I'm also obsessed with skincare. It's like, and makeup sometimes. Makeup, I hate doing makeup on myself and I don't want to. But it's like, you get to express yourself by makeup. Another cold one. And I'm going to describe it. This one's definitely an icy slime. Like, look at that. And this was white. And it was like a Halloween-y one. It had like those type of charms. And but I blue going because at the time I love blue. And yes, my outfit is blue today. not in my pajamas, but okay, so like I describe this one as icy blue stretchy slime. Because did you see how much it can stretch? Like, it stretches too much. And the name, I think the name is gonna be blueberry icy slime. Yeah. And the video is only 10 minutes long. Almost 11 in a few seconds. Yeah. I'm also, what else am I obsessed with? Sometimes TikTok. Sometimes, but could an obsession be mild? And I have more stuffed animals over there. There, and there. So, it's not just all of them. I definitely have a bad obsession. And you know the guy Carter Kench? He has an obsession with Squishmallows. Well, also, I'm obsessed with, like, you know the Beanie Boo named Slush? There's so many more Slush things. I don't know if you can tell, but, this bag right here, I'm still unpacking for vacation. I have, oh god, just like mini slush. There. Big slush right there. And normal size slush was eaten by my dog, but still is surviving. Normal size slush. And are you ready to see the best slush? Squishmallow slush. Yeah. And you know how my name is Liv? This Beanie Boo right here, his name was Livy. I had to get it. I literally just had to. But that's it for today's video. I'm gonna put this away. Yeah, bye guys. See you later. Peace out.